Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm going to make some garlic butter chicken thighs that are going to be like browned, crisped up on the stove, and then I'm going to put them in the oven. So I need to heat up, I've already heated up my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to heat up some oil in it. I don't know, about 3 tablespoons. And then I have salted and peppered one side of these, but now I need to salt and pepper the other side. I've salted and peppered the skin side. So I'm going to place these in the skillet with this oil. Skin side down. So these are bone-in chicken thighs. And you want to generously salt and pepper them. And I'm also going to put Brussels sprouts in here. Sorry if I'm yelling, I just want to make sure you can hear me over the sizzle sizzle. So I have my Brussels sprouts already cut up. I'm going to use some extra, well, I was going to say I was going to use some extra oil for those, but I don't really know that I'll need to because I'm going to have so much butter in here. I do need to get my garlic out. And these are not going to be done on the skillet at all. I am just getting it so that the skin side is crispy and yummy. Gives it some extra flavor. And while this is doing its thing, I also have the oven on to 400 degrees. And I have already cut up my Brussels sprouts. I've washed them and cut them in half. I actually might put them in a bowl and go ahead and coat them with some oil. So I put them in a bowl, put some oil on them. And I love to use this foxpoint seasoning from Penzeys. It is garlic, onions, and chives. So if you have anything like that, or a combination of that, and then I'm just going to mix this together with my hand. And I'm going to put this straight on there in just a little minute. Washing my hands. Oh yeah, that looks good. So now I want to add my butter, and it's a whole stick of butter that I'm using. I'm going to let that melt a little bit, and then I'm going to add my garlic. You want 3 or 4, 5, 6 cloves of garlic, so I'm just going to use a teaspoon because I use the minced garlic. So this is all melting. My oven is almost preheated. By the time I get this done, my oven will be preheated. This butter is going to mix in with this and with the Brussels sprouts. It'll just be fabulous. Okay, while this is on its last little bit, I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic. My oven is preheated. That's what that music is. My butter is all melted. Scooting these over. I'm going to add my sprouts. Now, you could do these on a roasting pan too, but I figured, you know what? Why? I think I can do it all in here, and I think it'll be just fine. I haven't ever done it this way before, but I have done roasted vegetables with chicken, so I figured why not? I want this to kind of be in one layer. They just roast a little bit better that way. All right, now I just stick this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the oven. I did let it cook an extra 5 minutes, so it was in there for 35 minutes just because it's at 400 degrees. Ooh, and I haven't even looked at it yet, but oh my gosh. Look how caramelized those Brussels sprouts are. Oh, that looks amazing. So it is going to be really hot, but let me go ahead and put some on a plate. Don't want to touch this for sure. I'm going to get this one because it looks really crispy and yummy. Then I'm going to get, I could probably eat all of these Brussels sprouts in one sitting. Okay, maybe not one sitting, but 2 sittings. Oh, I guess I need to turn off the oven. I think you guys can see that okay. Get my fork. Now this is going to be super hot, but you can see it's totally done. It looks amazing. Now you can take some of this garlic that might be on in the pan and put it over your chicken. Maybe use a spoon. Maybe not. This isn't the best choice of whatever to use, but let me just get a spoon. I had one with the garlic, but I put it in the dishwasher already. Oh man. I don't know what everybody's eating tonight, but this is gonna be good. Let's see, I'm gonna try to, here we go, I pulled off a piece of the meat. Oh. Oh, it's fabulous. Oh. Actually, I think I even like the Brussels sprouts more than the chicken, just because I love Brussels sprouts. But, oh, I hope you guys try it. You're going to love it. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Quick and easy meal.